Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I did my nails for the first time. I never ever did my nails on my own. Even when I was young and I would buy nail polish, I would paint my nails, it would be a shit disaster and it will peel off after like 2 days. Ridiculous. So now that we are in this situation and we can't get our nails, our hair, our waxing done, I went ahead on Amazon and bought this. Yes, I did. I bought this on Amazon and I decided to do my nails on my own. So here they are. Let's see how I did. Alright, so here is the machine I bought off Amazon. It's automatic when you put your hands in it and it has some settings here. You have 10 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. So I ordered this off of Amazon. It's super light and it was about $45–50. And right now, since the demand is so high, I have seen it on Amazon for $70–80. So yeah, it's quite expensive right now, but it's only because the demand is so high and you know what's going on right now with the world. Anyway, I've waited so long for this, guys. I've waited about 6 weeks just to receive this. So it took a while. I ordered it in March. I received it yesterday, so May 13th. So it took about a month and a half to come here, but I'm so excited that it's finally here. I got to test it yesterday. It is very, very good. I'll put all the link to get this on Amazon down below. This can cure up to 5 different type of gels. It's really, really good. That's my setup. I have the machine right here to cure my hands. I have a luxury lotion for afterwards when I'm done. And this is the next stuff that I ordered off of Amazon. I ordered a kit of poly gel. I already opened it. It's pretty self-explanatory. It's a bunch of gels. I think I have 5 to 10 gels like this. Bunch of gels, different colors. Of course, I picked the nude ones. Of course, came with one filer like that, but I went ahead and ordered a bunch of filers off Amazon. I already went through 2 of these, so this is going in the garbage because it's pretty buffed out. So these 3 I'm gonna put aside and take a new one. I'm gonna keep this aside just for the buffing side of it, but the scraping hard side of them are completely finished. So I ordered this. I think it's essential if you want to do your nails at home to have a good filer, professional filers. I also ordered a cuticle oil. This one is the Jessica. It smells amazing. Oh my god. I saw this on Lydia Milan's channel. She was speaking about this. It's amazing. I have a bunch of dryness around my cuticles and I've been putting this and they're almost completely gone. So I'm happy about that. In the poly gel kit, you have a how-to, guide that comes with it. Also, the machine has a guide. You have a bunch of poly gel colors. You have a pen to scrape out the gel and a little brush to help you applying the gel. What I like about the poly gel is that you don't put it directly on your nails. You put it in a bed, then you stick the bed onto your nails. Anyway, you'll see, I'll do it with you, and it creates a smooth finish. It's really, really good. In the kit, you also have a base coat and the top coat, as well as the manipulative liquid. It's like the liquid solution to help you move the gel the way you want to shape it. I already did a few nails yesterday. I was playing with the machine. This one came out pretty good. I'm gonna see what I can do today. So I already have a few nails out from doing my nails yesterday, so I'm gonna reuse these. And yeah, we're gonna do our nails together today and see how it goes. I also did my feet yesterday, which is cool. They have the big sets for the big toe and stuff. Really, really good. I really recommend this so far. This I ordered in March. It came in about maybe maximum a week. I want to say it came in 3 days, but the machine, that's the one that took long. Everything else, filer, the Jessica, everything came pretty fast on Amazon. It came with 6 colors and I want to go ahead and see which one we're gonna do on my other hand today. I'm gonna start by buffing my fingernails with the soft buffing side. I'm gonna take this and push my cuticles. I'm gonna add the base coat and then cure my fingers for like 60 seconds. I think that should be good. So now I'm just going to put a little bit of liquid in the lid so I can play with the gel and mold it the way I want to. Not too much, just a little bit. I'm gonna soak in my brush. So what you do is that you take the poly gel, you squeeze a little bit out of the tube. I'm gonna take my little fingernail extension. This one is number 9. So I'm gonna put it in, just like that. And then that's when I come and mold it in with the brush. So basically you don't do it directly on your nail, you do it in the base and then you're going to apply it to your nail and cure it this way. You'll see. You're gonna take the poly gel, put it on the finger, press it down a little bit, not too much, if not the products will come out, and then I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. Alright, now that it is all cured, we are going to take off the extension and it's gonna leave you with basically a gel nail, and then I buff it out. See, I buffed a little bit too much here. I'm just going to add a little bit more poly gel on the side. That's why I like this stuff, because if you make a mistake you can just touch it up. So now I'm just going to show you how I'm going to correct my mistake. Just like that, I corrected the side and then I'm gonna cure it for 30 seconds. Just for the fun of it, I'm gonna throw a different color pink in there. My roommates want me to make their nails as well. If I'm able to make their nails, I swear I'm never going back to the salon. I think this one is my favorite color. It's like a pinkish coral color. And put it on my nail. Alright, let's cure this one for 60 seconds. It's so pretty, so I'm just gonna buff it out hard, because I'm not a nail tech, of course, is to not get the product all over the cuticles. But I mean, we can buff it at the end like I'm doing, and when you get your hands wet, when you wash your hands, they're gonna fall off, but it's just not aesthetically pleasing to see. So that's why I'm buffing as much as I can to try and take them out. I just did my last nail, which is the big thumb. Alright, so I just finished my big thumb. That's what I mean by I'm not a professional, because all the edges are popping out. But what I find is that it's not hard to correct. You can come and buff the solution in to make sure it's off your edges. So you're buffing the solution in to make sure it's off your edges, and then once it is off your edges you can cook it again and then buff it with the nail filer. I'm gonna cook it again for like 30 seconds. Once I have taken the edges out with the liquid, I'm gonna come and buff it with the nail filer. So this is my nails done. And now I'm gonna wash my hands, put the top coat on, and see how it's looking. Alright, I have finished doing all of my nails. I shaped them and buffed them. Now it's time for the top coat. I am so excited. This is a really good kit and I'm very impressed. So let's do the top coat and see how it looks at the end. I'm gonna go ahead and add some Jessica on my cuticles. I am so happy with my nails, you guys, and I can't believe I did it myself. That's what's impressive. They look so beautiful, so professional, and I did them myself. Here we go, you guys. This is how my nails are looking. I am over the moon. and I am pretty excited about them. Very happy. So there you have it, guys. I did my nails on my own for the first time, and I can seriously say this is one of the best things I've ever tried in my life. Besides makeup, this is really good. It was easy. I mean, it took some time in the beginning because I didn't know what I was doing, but as soon as I got the hang of it, it was pretty fast. So I can seriously say this is a very good product. I do recommend it. Go ahead and purchase it, but be mindful. It might take some time because of the situation that we're in. Again, yeah, it took me 6 weeks. 6 weeks! Might take some time. Maybe you're gonna be luckier than me. It took a good time, a good while to get here, but now that I have it, I can seriously say I don't think I'll go back to a nail salon again. That's how good it is. I mean, if I have an event, a wedding that I need to assist, okay, fine, I'll go get my nails done. But on a day-to-day basis, I seriously don't think I'll go back to a nail salon ever again. So there you have it. This is my review. This is really good. I'll give it a 5-star. So go ahead and purchase it if you'd like to. Don't forget to subscribe, to like the video. It will really help my channel. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.